See that, you know, the weather doesn't seem to affect these girls. Right now it's about, 45 and rainy. It is by no means nice weather at all. Definitely not the kind of weather that I like about Houston. It's supposed to always be warm down here. It's cold and nasty and drizzly and miserable. But anyway, just wanted to show you what the birds are doing. They were all up here on top of that pile of those are sweet potato vines I threw in here. And I'm hoping they would be more aggressive on, scratching through them and rooting around in them, but they're just kind of walking around. They're actually picking at some oats that I threw on top of them. That's what they're working on. I was hoping, though, if I threw some oats on there that it would kind of get them looking at that pile as a source of something to work with. But we'll see. I mean, the vines I gave them from the last one, I just gave them a handful of vines the last time in the old coop, and they tore it down pretty good, so we'll see what they do with it over the next week while I'm out of town. And then my little barred rocks, they're in here. I actually picked them up earlier today and I put them back in the cage with the little goldens under the heat lamp. They're hanging out underneath there. There comes one out to talk to us. But they looked all wet and scruffy, and they were all balled up over there in the far corner. Over there. They were all over there in the corner, all wet and looked miserable. So I actually picked them up and put them back in the cage to let them warm up a little bit. And I've since let them back out. And then, of course, as soon as I let them out, it starts raining again. And they decide it's time to come out in the round again. So we'll see. I mean, they don't seem to be bothered by it, so I guess they're warm enough. We'll just kind of see what happens with them. But anyway, like I said, I just want to share with you and show you. They're working on climbing around on their sweet potato vines, and they're just out here picking and scratching and doing what chickens do despite the weather.